Hey there, super duper kids. I'm Max, the coolest air-breathing fish you'll ever meet, and guess what? Today, we're going on an awesome adventure to create a real fish tank. So, here we are, in this super cool old fisher hut, right next to a ginormous lake. And today, we're going to build a fish tank that's so amazing, even mermaids will be jealous. But before we dive into this adventure, let me tell you why fish tanks are so incredible. Fish need just two things to live their best fishy lives: fresh water, that's like their swimming pool, and yummy fish food, which is basically like pizza for fish, yum. Now, fish tanks are like underwater castles, and guess what they're made of? Glass. We're not buying it from a store. We're going all DIY style and taking pieces of glass from that super duper old window we found in the corner of this hut. How cool is that? Upstairs is a small workshop. We bring the old glass there to create the fish tank step by step. First, we've got to cut the glass. Snip, snip. Then, we'll use some super duper strong glue to put all the glass pieces together. It's like building a fishy skyscraper. Once our tank is all glued up and dry, we'll carefully place it on a sturdy table. Why? Because when we fill it with water, it's going to be heavier than a T-Rex with a backpack full of bricks. Now, here comes the fun part, decorating our underwater world. We're talking colorful plants, shiny stones, and even some cool pieces of wood. It's like giving our fish friends the fanciest fish condo ever. But hang on a sec. We've got the tank ready, but where are our fishy buddies? Oopsie, we forgot them. No worries, though. We're going to head over to the lake and catch some fish that are just dying, not really, though, to live in our fish tank. Kids, let us take this fishing rod and 2 buckets where we put in our caught fish. We need at least 5 fish for our fish tank. Now we go to our fishing boat and row into the middle of that cool lake. We caught 7 teeny tiny fish, perfect for our underwater paradise. Hang on kids, what is this one? An octopus in a lake? Normally these are saltwater creatures found in oceans. What a strange lake. Splash. In they go. Hold on, hold on. We're missing something super important: water. Let's get that clear, cool, refreshing water in there before our fishies start complaining. And, guess what? Our cool fishy plants need some light to grow. We're not talking regular light though. We're adding a super duper lamp on top of our tank, so our underwater garden can thrive and sparkle like a disco party. But, kids, you know what? That's not even the most exciting part. Nope. Get ready for some real magic, because here comes my old pal, Fairy Fury, to help us out with a sprinkle of fairy dust.
Hello kids. Ready for some magic? I am Fairy Fury. Now let's start. Abra, Kadabra, Simsalabim, Butch, Booch, Butch.
Boom! Just like that, our fish tank transforms into an underwater wonderland. It's like a mini aquarium filled with colors, sparkles, and all sorts of fishy adventures. You won't believe your eyes, kids. It's pure magic, and it's all thanks to Fairy Fury's enchanting spell. But now, it's time for me to take a quick morning swim in the lake and maybe catch up with some fishy friends. But don't you worry, because I'll be back for more magical adventures with you. So, stay tuned and keep those smiles on, because we're going to craft even more incredible things together next time. But bye for now, my awesome little pals.